This year, I teamed up with Destiny Travel to guide a group trip to beautiful Cancun, Mexico.
My name's Corey. I'm gonna be your tour guide.
We stayed at the Riu Palace Las Americas resort. The rooms were very nice and had plenty of space. They had a small sitting area, and each room came with a fully stocked fridge and mini bar. The resort is all-inclusive and had a wide selection of restaurants, multiple pools, beach access, several excursions, and constant entertainment. The following day, we woke up early to start our journey to Yucatan. During the bus ride, our Mayan tour guide taught us about the history, language, and culture of the Mayans, and even told us some old stories from his childhood. About 3 hours later, we arrived at Chichen Itza and had our first views of the pyramid of Kukulkan. The Mayans called this the place of seven energies and believed it to be the center of the cosmos. They were extremely intelligent and are credited with the discovery of numbers and the solar system. They knew that the earth was spinning and learned to read the sun, which is how they built the pyramid to function as a giant calendar. It has 4 sides for the 4 seasons, with 91 stairs on each side for a total of 364, plus the center makes 365. Each year on the days of the spring and fall equinox, the placement of the sun creates a shadow in the shape of a snake that slowly descends the steps to join a huge serpent head carved at the bottom of the great staircase. This area had several sinkholes called cenote, which the Mayans believed to be sacred portals connecting the mortal world to the divine. The pyramid is built directly on top of one of these sinkholes, and the vibrations from the water are what is believed to create the strange echoes that you can hear when visiting. If you stand at a marked location at the center of the base and clap, the sound echoes from the top of the pyramid and mimics the chirp of a bird that can't be heard by others standing only a few feet away. The Great Ball Court was used instead of war as their method of resolving conflict with other tribes. Players would hit a 12-pound ball through stone scoring hoops set 25 feet high on the walls, and the leader of the losing team was publicly put to death. The black that we see atop the tower is the lasting effect of being covered in human blood. This court is also built to be a natural speaker system so that the monarchy could clearly hear what was happening on the field from their seats. Our next stop was Chichén, which is a recreation area with several activities available for tourists. We ate a traditional Mexican lunch and had the opportunity to try iguana and hibiscus margaritas. We also got to swim in one of the sacred cenotes, which was definitely one of my favorite parts of the trip. course, we couldn't pass up the tequila tasting. On the way home, we made a stop at Valladolid, which is considered to be one of Mexico's magic towns. This tour took an entire day, and we made it back to the resort just in time for dinner. To recover from our adventures, we spent the next day relaxing at our resort and taking full advantage of the all-inclusive drinks. We spent most of our time at the pool or beach, where they had entertainment such as water aerobics, acrobat performances, bingo, and even a Michael Jackson show that night. Monday morning rolled around and we made our way to the airport, only to find that our flight was canceled due to a snowstorm. So instead of going home, we went to a new resort. This time we stayed at the Fiesta Americana Condesa. We were stuck for 2 more days, so we did the only thing we could at that point: let the party continue.
Canada! USA!
Next time, don't just settle for watching the video. Bring your friends and come along with us by signing up at destinygrouptravel.com.